welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. It is Monday, June 14th, and I want to talk about Senseonics Holdings Inc. Ticker symbol is SENS. And Senseonics is currently sitting at $3.96 at the time of this video. If we take a look again before we get into this, I did make the video back on Senseonics on January 15th when Senseonics was sitting at $1.68. And in that video I talked about many things I liked about Senseonics, and it actually has nothing to kind of do with the video with why Senseonics is popping off today and why I'm making this video. But nonetheless, I do like the fundamentals for Senseonics. Before we get into it, just wanted to mention that. And let me know if you guys watched this video, you bought Senseonics and you're still holding. So Senseonics, you guys, like I said, $3.96 at the time of this video. First off, let's take a look at the volume. Volume for today, 140.9 million trades of Senseonics today, 26 million on average. So quite a bit of volume here for Senseonics, and I think for some good reason. So let's just get right into it. Senseonics, you guys, if you are unfamiliar with the company, the creators of the EverSense CGM system, which, I mean, for a very long time, a lot of people were skeptical about something like this, but EverSense CGM system, 90 days to be unstoppable. The EverSense, the only FDA approved long-term continuous glucose monitor. So for those of you watching this video, if you are familiar with people that do have diabetes, they need to continuously check and monitor their glucose levels. And what the EverSense CGM system does is it is an implantable chip that goes in to your skin, and you're able to check your glucose levels through an app on your phone. Traditional method is, you have to prick your finger, draw some blood, and that's how you would check your glucose levels. And a lot of people view that as a hassle, something that takes some time, something that maybe you don't want to necessarily do in public all the time, and something that just takes a process to do, and that you have to be reminded to do. So the EverSense CGM system really just expedites that process. All things are on your phone, the mobile app, real-time glucose readings on your phone, fluorescent sensor, and the transmitter water resistant with all body vibe alerts. So just many things, and I think many positive things here for the EverSense CGM system. And with Senseonics creating this product, I think for a long time, even from the beginning of the first time I made a video on Senseonics, I really like the EverSense CGM system. I think it's something that can really change lives, and as far as an investor, I think it's important to look at companies that have a product that can definitely change and impact a lot of lives. So again, just getting into specifically today, Senseonics, like I said, eclipsed its daily trading volume early in the morning, right? So early in the morning today, it already eclipsed its daily trading volume. Like I said, 140 million trades of Senseonics today. And there hasn't been any real news for the Senseonics stock to really be trending, or a lot of people to be buying and selling it. But Wall Street Bets, the Reddit subreddit that pushes these stocks crazy, has kind of taken a hold of Senseonics. So Senseonics, like I said, small pharmaceutical company that specializes in products to ease and make diabetes monitoring more efficient, and the glucose monitor system EverSense. And recently the company saw shares rocketing on the news of a promising trial, and that was actually the study of the company's primary and secondary glucose monitors showing promise in the efficacy of implanted monitoring products. And as a result, the stock actually shot up over 30% based on that news. So if you take a look at the chart here, you can see, let's take a look at the 6-month chart. This is when the stock really started to shoot up after that news of the study's efficacy results. But Sense is really starting to gain some traction here because of the Wall Street Bets chatter. So the Wall Street Bets Reddit message board is showing interest in getting Sense stock today. Mentions of SENS on the subreddit are increasing over 1,500% in the last 24 hours, and users are actually commenting on the high short interest and loading up on shares in anticipation of a squeeze. Now, somewhat of a squeeze over the past couple of days, but the squeeze that everyone is anticipating is throughout the rest of this week. So again, Wall Street Bets been going crazy. It's really efficient, actually, in my opinion, how Wall Street Bets can just take these stocks and really target them, and have these shares go crazy and have the volume go crazy. So for Senseonics, like I said, 40 million SEN shares or SENS shares have changed hands against the 25 million daily average, and that was early in the morning. Again, over the course of the day, we can go back and take a look at the volume. 140 million trades total throughout the whole trading day. So it will be interesting to see what happens. It's got, I think, what the buildup is today. It really has the makings of a stock breakout, a single-digit stock, small float. There's just around 280 million shares, high short interest with 25% of that float sold short. And again, a lot of stocks like GameStop, AMC, Clover, and other things broke out, and they look kind of similar to this. I think we're getting the same thing here with Senseonics. But again, invest your money at your own risk. It's important to know that these stocks will be volatile, especially these stocks that are attached to this Wall Street bets. It looks like a hype meme play. Again, but with that being said, I do like Senseonics, and the video, like I said, I made back here in January 15th had nothing to do with the short squeeze. It was just me talking about Senseonics and how I really like the Eversense CGM system, and the fundamentals for Senseonics were very, very strong, and definitely a product that I think is changing a lot of lives. But again, I think this is a stock that for right now, as far as the short squeeze goes, I think this is a stock that could definitely pop off, but would follow with a drop. But again, 140 million trades in volume today. Looking ahead towards the rest of the week, I think we can see this stock definitely squeeze. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Senseonics. Definitely think it has a pattern similar to like AMC and Clover before those really squeezed as well. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.